Hey, I'm Nick. I'm from Fiasco Cases. What we've got here is a 48 by 30 flip-top slam rack. We've just designed this. We've recognised the need in the market for essentially an all-in-one console case solution. So we've designed this. This will be coming in both the 24 by 30 footprint, so half of this, and the 48 by 30 footprint. We're also going to be, this is a 12U each side, giving you 24 units of rack space. We will be doing this in an 8U, so 16U of rack space as well. The reason behind this is the height that we're working off. So currently with this height, it's an ideal height for putting a console on and working off. If we go with the double 8U, it's going to drop it down by about 6 inches, so that's going to be ideal positioning for if you're seated. This version here is obviously the flip top. The flip top gives you the space for either up to a 48-inch screen or 2 times 24-inch screens. We will also be doing what we call the pop top. The pop top is essentially exactly the same design, but imagine the gas struts are gone, the rear hinge is gone, and you remove the whole top. So this configuration is really good for broadcast, AV, with the pop top, much better for live entertainment, audio, lighting. See over the top of the case to see the stage. As I showed you before, we've got the slide out desk. This locks into place with these keys, as there's 4 lock positions, so you can easily get in around behind your console to patch, and then relocate it to the position that you want to be in as you're operating. We've also added the keyboard and mouse position here with dedicated holes for cabling to run through, so you can go straight down into the rack, so you can charge them, etc. In the back, as you can see, we've got 2 rear slam doors, giving you the ability to close your whole console up if you're leaving it overnight, for example film, but you can still leave your cables running out the back. That pretty much gives you a full rundown. If you want any more information, we're Fiasco Cases, www.fiascocases.com. Come check us out.